how to reprogram your subconscious mind to create wealth using the law of attraction. Now, I've created a lot of abundance and a lot of money for myself, being a vlogger for the past 2.5 years. And I'm going to tell you how I did it, and how I reprogrammed my subconscious mind to get me to this point to where I'm actually like making money for myself and I'm actually living much more better than what I used to live like. And I'm here to tell you folks, in order to like attract money, to attract wealth, to create wealth, you have to first reprogram your subconscious mind, which you probably already know. Okay, so first thing first, let's get right down into it. Okay, so divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Stay tuned, folks. Okay, so the first thing that you have to keep in mind when you want to reprogram your subconscious mind is you have to think of your mind like a computer, folks. What's the first thing you do when you unravel a brand new computer, or even when you get a new computer, period? Okay, you log on the computer, but before you log on the computer, you start up the computer, and then it starts to ask you all these questions. It starts to give you all these tips and these tools because it's new, right? It's new. Okay, but when you actually get to the desktop screen of that computer, there's one thing for certain that you can automatically just know that it's gonna be so, which is the computer is gonna be fresh, brand new, ready to go. You ain't gotta worry about no viruses. It's gonna be fully optimized. It's gonna run properly. It's gonna do exactly what you wanted to do. Why? Because the computer is clear. The computer is receptive. The computer don't have no negative files in it. The computer can actually think for itself. And so that's the same way you got to think about reprogramming your subconscious mind, folks. Think of your subconscious mind right now as a computer. Now ask yourself, what are some of the things that you have to do in order to reprogram your subconscious mind? What are some of the things that you have to do when you get on a computer that, it runs really, really slow? Okay, one thing I like to do is I like to get on the computer and clear the cache. Then I like to clear some of the history. Then I like to go to the disk and free up space on the disk. And I keep doing all these things until I like actually am able to surf the web, full speed, like a processing system. It's the same thing with the mind, folks. So in order to reprogram your subconscious mind, the one thing you have to do is you have to always feed yourself positive energy. Positive energy, positive energy, positive energy. Let's just say feeding yourself positive energy, positive thoughts, and doing positive things or whatever. Let's just say that's like, cleaning your cache. That's like making your computer better than what it was before. Okay. All right. Let's just say that. Okay. Let's just say that. So you have to continuously do this every day, which is like saying positive affirmation. Anything that's positive, you want to be a part of it. Anything that's negative, you want to get away from it. You want to clear the history. You want to get away from it, folks. You want to fragmentize it. You want to just let it go. Okay. So that's the whole thing about creating wealth. In order to have a healthy mindset and a wealthy mindset, you got to first get rid of the thoughts of poverty. That's one of the things that like dawned on me when I discovered that I had to reprogram my mind. I started asking myself, like, why am I always broke, but I'm not trying to be broke? Why don't I ever attract money, but I'm not? It's not like I'm not trying to go get money. You know what I mean? Why is it like I'm always like in this money place where it's like I don't have any, and it's like I'm doing so much that I can to get the money? Okay, common sense hit me. It must be your subconscious mind, Trent. It must be your subconscious mind, Trent. Okay, because the subconscious mind is very powerful. Like the subconscious mind is so powerful, folks. People that don't want to hear truth, they could hear truth. You can tell them exactly what they need to hear. They could agree with you and say, yes, that's right. But their subconscious mind would tell them to say, no, I won't accept it. That's how powerful the subconscious mind is. Like if you can get somebody like subconscious mind on lockdown, folks, you got them. Like if you can get their subconscious mind like on complete lockdown, you got them. But you don't want to manipulate nobody or nothing like that. But I'm just being real. Like when you get that subconscious mind, into a thought thinking process of like, attracting wealth, attracting money, attracting abundance. You're going to attract abundance today. You wake up in the morning and be like, I'm going to attract wealth today. I'm going to attract wealth. Ain't nowhere to be found. Wealth ain't nowhere to be found. But you keep telling yourself repeatedly, I'm going to attract abundance. I'm going to attract wealth. I am abundance. I am wealth. Oh, I feel like money. Oh my God. Palms itching. Oh, money is coming. Oh yeah, I am money. Yes, I got a lot of money. Yeah. Money, 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 money. Yeah. Money, 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 money. Yeah, yes, I am money. Money, money, I am money. I feel like money. Yes. what it's gonna do is it's gonna train your subconscious mind to think that you are money, folks, and that you rightfully deserve money. It's just like a radio that they play, a song that they play on the radio that you don't even like when it first comes out, but they gonna keep on playing it. It's gonna keep getting into your mind, your conscious mind first, ain't gonna like it, then it's gonna seep into your subconscious mind, and the next thing you know, you're gonna be like, that's my song on. I don't like it though, but that's my song though. Yeah, I like this part when you make it do like that. I like it when you make it do like that. Yeah, but you know, I'm still mad. Still mad. But when that song comes, I still, you know, I still like it though. You know, like the song is gonna have you so controlled because it's in your subconscious mind. That's why they repeat songs on the radio, because they know for a fact that you're gonna like it if they keep playing it. If you keep listening to the station, it's the same thing when it comes down to creating wealth, to reprogramming your subconscious mind to create wealth. It's the same thing. All you have to do is impregnate your conscious mind with positive affirmations about how much money you're gonna get, how much money you want to have. You know, just impregnate your mind with wealth affirmations over and over and over, constantly, consistently, consecutively, every single day, folks. Every single day. And I can guarantee you the law of attraction is gonna make it show up in your life. It's gonna make it show up in your life. Just like my friend said, I was talking to my friend today. He was like, you know what? You know, I don't understand, man, why some people think that they fat. I'm like, I don't understand either. He was like, because if you think that you're fat, then the universe is going to confirm to you that you're fat. It's going to have people come up to you and tell you that you need to lose weight. You're going to start seeing commercials come across the screen with like diabetic, or not diabetic pills, but diet pills and stuff like that on it. They're trying to get you to buy it and advertising. Like the whole universe shifts when you think of yourself in a certain perspective. So if you start thinking of yourself in a wealth perspective, guess what's going to happen if you keep on sending those affirmations down into your subconscious mind? Your whole universe is going to begin to change and give you things that wealthy people get. Then the next thing you know, you're going to start buying wealthy people, S-H-I-T. That rhyme with the last thing I just said. Then the next thing you know, you're going to have that wealthy thing that wealthy people have. Then it's going to attract what? More wealthy people. Then you're gonna have a lot of wealthy friends, and after you have a whole lot of wealthy friends, they think, you know, you're gonna forgot that you was doing this and watching this video. I'm trying to understand how to reprogram your subconscious mind to create wealth. Law of attraction. It's that simple, folks. It's really that simple. And that's how I got to where I'm at right now in the abundance phase. I'm in the abundance phase where I'm creating wealth right now because I'm not thinking about what is going on around me. I'm not thinking about, you know, things that I can't handle right now. I'm thinking about this wealth. I'm thinking about this abundance. Every day when I wake up, it's the abundance, the wealth. I got to get this money. I got to have this money. I got to have it. I got to have it. Say that to yourself. That's the affirmation you can do, is use right there. I got to have it. When you wake up in the morning, you think about that wealth. You say, I got to have it. I got to have this wealth. I got to have it. It's yours. It's rightfully yours. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. It's Trenius Anderson. Make sure you subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner. If you like this video, if it resonated with you, folks, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and by the way, if you want another abundance video, I have another one right up here. Just click this one right here, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, folks, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how you reprogram your subconscious mind to create wealth, law of attraction. And if you want to talk to me personally, one-on-one, you need one-on-one self-development tips or whatever the case may be, just go over to my website, look in the description section, go to my website. You'll see where it says RIM Team Sign Up. Go to RIM Team Sign Up, and you'll see all the different services I have. I've got like 8 different services. The cheapest one is Quick Talks. I would highly suggest you to get a Quick Talk, folks. That's the cheapest. It's the quickest. I'll talk to you as soon as you blink after this video. Oh, you just blinked. I need to talk to you. I'll see y'all on the other side.